When viewing a ticket in Teamwork Desk, you can easily add a note to that ticket, which will not be seen by the customer involved in the ticket, but will be seen by any agents viewing that ticket. This provides a useful means of discussing a ticket with your team directly within the ticket itself. So here we are in a ticket, and if we want to create a note, we just need to go over here and select the note option. And now we can easily add a note for our team members. When creating a note, we can also choose to tag a specific agent in that note to ensure that they see the message. So all we need to do for this is to select @ and then select the agent that you want to see this note. Then we can just add the text of our note, and you can see here that we have several formatting options for our note. So we can view our source HTML code, we can undo and redo any changes we've made. We have our text formatting options, so we can choose the style. We can use bold, italics, and underline. We can alter our text alignment here. We can add unordered and ordered lists. We can choose to outdent or indent our text. We can add horizontal lines. We can add and remove links. We can choose to upload an image for our note. And we can also insert canned responses. And you can see here that we can also choose to attach any files here, so we can drag and drop them, or we can browse our files. And down here we can change the ticket status. You can see here that we have several options here. Similarly, we can also adjust who is assigned this ticket, so we can select unassigned, or we can select a specific agent. We also have several options that we can use when adding our note. So if we click this drop down here next to the add note button, you can see that we can choose to add this note and then go back into our inbox. We can add this note and stay on this ticket, or we can add this note and go straight to the next active ticket. So let's choose to add and stay on page here, and then we just need to select add note, and you can see that our note has been added now. And you can easily tell the difference between a note and a message to our customer by the yellow background of our note here. And that's it. That's how simple and powerful adding and using notes is in Teamwork Desk.